I'm making mac and cheese, guys. Dahil pauwi na si Petros, and then ito na lang yung lulutuin ko. And then sausage. I have sausage over there. Partner na lang siya. This is cheddar cheese. Tapos ko na pala yung yung isang pack ng cheddar cheese. And naglagay pa ako ng butter. Ito na siya. This is sausage. Ang haba. Yung mac and cheese and sausage.